This Luistro of the Justice Committee has absolutely no shame. Where is the fairness here? Where is the impartiality? Where is due process in these impeachment proceedings in the House? There is no fairness that can be expected here when Luistro herself just makes up the rules as she goes along. Imagine saying that the non-appearance of the Vice President is itself a violation of the Constitution. Where in the world did you get that? This witch hunt is intolerable. This Luistro is a minion of Martin Luther King Romualdez, and she doesn't hide it at all because she has no shame. No shame.